What's coming up here, buddy?
Huh?
What's coming up?
Tunnel's coming up.
Are you excited? Are we almost there? What are you doing?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay.
Just one was just.
Where are these people going?
Where are these people going?
Are you ready to go through the tunnel?
Oh yeah! Wait, I need you to honk the horn, Papa. No, yet.
Not yet.
Okay. You might have to tell Papa when to honk. I thought you were going to honk the horn. I thought you were going to go back by Papa so you could honk the horn.
No, you.
No?
Papa's not honking.
Papa's going to do it. Okay, but Corbin's going to tell him, right?
Oh boy.
It's all yours. It's coming right up.
We're almost there.
Almost there. We're almost there. Okay.
Honk the horn! We're in traffic!
Say, see you next year, tunnel.
See you next year, tunnel. We can go to night tunnel, friend.